Housemates, behold, I'm now your glorious and supreme leader. The Big Brother house now is under the complete control of my regime.
His accent is...
I'm the only housemate to have received no nomination, so I already know how highly you regard me.
What did he say?
No nominations.
I am powerful and you are weak. Just as a tiny mouse cowers before a ferocious lion, shall all of you cowers in the spreads of my greatness. I'm the golden sun at the center of the universe. My magnificent greatness shines down upon the earth, where you, the pathetic worm, wrinkle but helplessly in the mud beneath my boots. All of you must love me, and all of you must obey me. To pass this shopping task, all housemates must be loyal to my regime, follow my commands, and abide by my laws.
This is going to be so hard.
Yeah, we're going to have
My
to
first command is to appoint my 2 official guards, what will serve at my side, and help me enforce the mighty regime. I hereby choose to bestow this great honor upon Razor and Ryan. Razor and Ryan should now come to the dining room to receive their official uniform.
Yours is gone. Oh no.
Long live the regime. Long live the great Frankie Dettori.
Oh my God.